Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to crochet single crochet stitches in the front loop only. First, let us understand what the front loop is. The front loop is the part of the V-shaped stitch from the previous row that is closest to you. It is the loop where the yarn needle would go through. To crochet a single crochet in the front loop, insert your hook into the front loop of the next stitch, yarn over, and pull through a loop. You now have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over again, and pull through both loops on your hook. This completes the first single crochet in the front loop. Let me demonstrate again. Insert your hook into the front loop of the next stitch, and crochet a single crochet. This completes the second single crochet in the front loop. We will continue crocheting a few more stitches, and then look at the result. After completing the stitches, you will see a horizontal line on the back of your work. This line is formed by the remaining loops of the stitches. That is all for this video. Enjoy your crocheting time.